Hi, everyone. Welcome to another week of phonics. We're going to take a look at the long O spelled O-A. So every time you see the O-A, it's going to say O. What's it going to say?
O.
Thank you.
O.
Yes, it's going to say O. So let's go ahead and start already in line one. Remember, this is the first time we're seeing this, so we're going to go sound by sound and then blend it through. Here we go. Sound.
O.
Sound.
Oat.
The word is oat. Very good. Sound.
Oat.
Sound.
O.
Sound. Word is coat.
Coat.
Coat. Here we go. Sound. Sound.
O.
Sound.
Boat.
Oh, very good. Here we go. Sound. Sound.
O.
Sound. The word is goat. So let's reread this for fluidity's sake. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oat. Coat.
Boat. And goat.
Goat.
Okay, remember, this is that time where we either hit the pause button or work along with us, thinking about what is the pattern or a pattern spelling that you see here, or what is the family we're working with here. Thumb to your chest as soon as you figured it out. And remember, boys and girls, if you haven't figured it out, go ahead and hit that pause button and then come back to us. All right, Miss Kim, I'm going to go ahead and choose you. Take a look at line 1 over again. And what do you think is the family or the spelling pattern we're seeing here?
O-A-T, oat.
And what do you think, teachers? Do you agree, disagree with her? Yes. Very good. So we see oat in all of our words. O-A-T is the pattern here. And if we had in front of it, this would be?
Moat.
Very good. Now let's jump over to line 2. Take a look at these 4 words here. Again, we're going to go sound by sound and then blend it through. Here we go. Sound. Sound.
O.
Sound. Oh. Sound. The word is?
Cloak.
Ready. Here we go. Sound.
O.
Sound. Word.
Oat.
Very nice. Next word. Sound. Sound. O. Word.
Soap.
Here we go. 2 letters in front. Sound. 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 O. And then whole word. Croak. All right. We're going to go back and we're going to read this line for fluidity's sake. 3, 2, 1. The word is cloak. Oh. Soak and croak. Okay, so now we're going to take some think time and think about what is the focus that you see here? What is that spelling pattern or family that we're working with here? Thumb to your chest if you know it already. Boys and girls, if you need that think time, hit that pause button and come back to us. All right, Ms. Yakimowicz, I saw you go up first. Can you let us know, what do you think? What is the family or spelling pattern that we see here repeated?
The O-A-K family, oak.
Yes. We see O-A-K, oak, 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 oak. Thank you. All right, and we're now going to jump into line 3 here. And Miss T, I'm giving you a heads up. You're going to find a focus for that line. Here we go. Sound by sound, people. Here we go. Sound.
Long. Wrong.
Sound. Moan. Ready? Last word. Moan. For fluidity's sake, let's go ahead and reread that. Try to read it at a normal pace. 3, 2, 1. Loan, groan, and cone. And T, I did give you a heads up. Now think about it, class. Hit pause button if you need more think time to figure out the pattern or the spelling pattern, the family we are working with here. Miss T, your turn.
It's O-A-N, own.
You are correct. O-A-N, O-A-N, O-A-N. Something else about the syllables? Does anyone want to mention that? Number of syllables?
One.
Yes, yes. I thought I could trick you. Okay, let's go ahead and look at now the sentence here. Read that sentence in your head. Think about the words in there that have the long O spelled O-A. Think about it. And remember, this is not thumbs to your chest. This is the number of words that you can identify that have the long O spelled O-A. Yes, I see three. And the tips of Miss Yakimowicz, 3. Yes. Miss Yakimowicz, can you start us off? What is the long O word that you found that has O-A in it?
Oats.
Oats. Very nice. Miss Kim.
Oat.
Oat. Miss T.
Boat.
Boat. And let's reread that. What is this word?
Oat.
Oats.
Oats.
This word.
Coat.
And this word.
Boat.
Now we're
Boat.
going to reread that sentence knowing that this is oats, coat, and boat. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. After I ate my oat, I got my coat and went to my boat. Awesome sauce, awesome sauce. Okay, for fluidity's sake, Ms. Yakimowicz, can you reread that on your own?
Yes. After I ate my oats, I got my coat and went to my boat.
Awesome, awesome. Miss T, can you scoop it out for us?
After I ate my oats, I got my coat and went to my boat.
And now it's that time. Miss Kim, what is that time again? It's not decoding.
It's encoding.
And encoding. That means you need to take that whiteboard out with that whiteboard marker, or you're going to take out your pen, pencil, paper, and remember, these are scaffolds that will help you with the spelling, but they're not necessary if you feel comfortable with the spelling, spelling the long O spelled O-A. Okay, remember, if you are using the Seesaw app, then you're going to jump into the plus. You're going to add, a drawing. Hit record on the left-hand side. Start writing along with us. Hit the top left corner where it says undo, and then write your new word. And keep hitting undo until you finish the whole assignment. And then top right corner, green button again to submit. All right, a lot of information there. Let's get started. Just like before, we're working towards that multi-syllabic word set. And then we have a sentence down here. Remember, teachers, do not show until the 3rd time. The word is oat. What's the word? Oat. 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 The word is oat. Can you show me now? Yes, perfect. Thank you, Ms. Norwich. Next word. The word is oak. What's the word? Oak. 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 The word is oak. Go ahead and show me. Nice job, nice job. Here we go. Next word. Goat. What's the word? Goat. Goat. Oat. Goat. Oat. Goat. Goat. Show me. Yes. So far, so good. Thank you, thank you. Next word. The word is soak. What's the word? Soak. Oak. Oak. The word is soak. Watch that k, k, k sound. Go ahead and show me, teachers. Correct. That k, k, k is a K. Okay, moving on to the next set. Here we go. The word is cloak. What's the word? Cloak. Ooh, oak. Ooh, oak. It's the same k, k, k sound and spelling as this one down here. Cloak. Ready? Show me. Yes. C-L-O-A-K. Moving on to that next word. Ready? The word is grown. What's the word? Grown. Grown is the word. Show me. Very nice, very nice. Thank you. Bring it down. Okay, watch it. 2 consonants in the back. The word is coats. What's the word? Coats. 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 Show me. Very nice, very nice. Thank you, Miss Kim. All right, here we go. Next word is loans. What's the word? Loans. Show me. Loans.
For the
Very
last,
nice.
was it coats or coast? Sorry, I just want to clarify.
Coats.
Coats.
So I'll write it in since we already finished that. O.
Oh, okay. Just want to make sure. It's hard to hear, so I'm glad we clarified.
All right, here we go. Multisyllabic words. First word, upload. What's the word? Upload. Up, ode. Upload. Ode. Upload. Show me. Yes. Very nice. And that word is considered a compound word. Up and load make upload. Here we go. Try the next word. The word is oatmeal. What's the word? Oatmeal. Oat. Oat. E-O. Meal. Oat. Oat. E-O. Meal. Oatmeal. Show me your work. Very nice. Very nice. All right, here we go. Challenging, but not so challenging because you're a pro at this. The word is tugboat. What's the word? Tugboat.
Tugboat.
Tug. Boat. Boat. Tug. Boat. Tugboat. Show me. You're on it, Miss Kim. Thank you, Mr. Kimowich. And thank you, Miss T. Let's take a look at this sentence. Remember what I've been telling you. It is not necessary for you to use this scaffold, but if you still need that scaffold, please, by all means, hit the pause button on the video. Go onto your whiteboard, go onto your paper, or go onto your seesaw. Write it all down. Give yourself that time. Remember, all of us are different. All of us need whatever support we may need. Take the time that you need. When you are ready, teachers, give me a thumbs up to your chest. Lets me know that you're good to go. And for those of you who don't need scaffolding, you're just going to follow along and write it as I read it back to you. Okay, thank you. Miss T is ready. Miss Kim is ready. And Mr. Kimowich is ready. Here we go. Sentence. The big, big, the big goat, goat, the big goat will groan, groan. The big goat will groan and moan. Moan. Next to the oak. The word is oak. Oak. And the last word there is tree. E. And you're familiar with the long E spelled E-E, but I put it just in case. E. So again, the big goat will groan and moan next to the oak tree. Show me, teachers. Fantastic job. A job well done. Go ahead and pat yourselves on the back. thank you. And for those viewers out there who did a job well done, or even if you came close, thank you so much for trying. Remember, don't forget to hit subscribe. Yay! See you next time. Bye.